Hi guys, so I was told to get ready for a huge package, so I got all lubed up and turns out it was just boxes of makeup. If you don't already know, we are in the top 30 of the 2018 Face Awards. So basically they sent everybody in the top 30 these huge boxes full of gifts from the sponsors and also makeup from NYX Professional Makeup to use in our challenges. We haven't found out what the challenge theme is yet. I think we find out tomorrow. They've done challenges in the past like Animal Kingdom, fairy tales, dark shadows, disco, pop stars, stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm so excited to find out what our theme is gonna be, and I'm ready for anything. As long as it's not like something scary, that's what I don't want. Let's do the small one first. I don't really do unboxing videos at all on my channel. So I mean, sometimes I'll do it on my Insta story or my Snapchat story, but I kind of feel like unboxings just like feel a little bit braggy, if you know what I'm saying. But this is the Face Awards and we're all in this journey together, so let's see what they sent us. So besides NYX Professional Makeup, the other sponsors are Target, Redken, Vichy, USA, Clarisonic, Powder D, Yubi, My Kitsch, and Audio Network. Okay, so the first thing in this box is from Redken, which is a hair company if I believe correctly. Leave your mark and make your power play. These 3 products, many combos to create your most influential styles yet. Use these styling products to prove you're a force to be reckoned with. I've watched previous unboxing videos in previous years and Redken sometimes like drops the hints about what the theme is gonna be. So is it something like related to power, superheroes? Well, they gave us these 3 things. You guys, I have been setting aside budget, ordering all these supplies for my videos, and I don't even know what the fucking theme is. I just have ideas of like silhouettes and looks that I want to pull off. It's gonna be sick. This is from Yubi. One for you, one for me. What is this? I've never heard of this company before, but they are one of our sponsors. I'm guessing it's like this like furniture or like home decor type of thing. Thank you to Yubi and Redken. This next box is from Kitsch. So I guess this is another hair company. Maybe not like hair styling products, but we've got like headbands, bun shapers, a bunch of hair clips, hair elastics, and bobby pins, sort of that stuff. I already see myself getting tons of use out of all of these hair clips and elastics and bobby pins, so thank you to Kitsch. Guys, I'm still in total disbelief because I have followed the NYX Face Awards for like 4 years. I've watched so many of these unboxing videos and never thought that I would be making one. Next up, from Target, they say, in honor of earning a spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 30, please enjoy this good chemistry fragrance from your sponsor, Target. And we have this little perfume called Water Lily. Oh my god, Powder D, I love you guys. You guys already know I work a lot with Powder D. The guy behind it, Darnell, has always been a big supporter of my content. And apparently they're sponsoring the Face Awards too, and they've sent us a gray wig. You know what? The very first wig I ever got myself, like years and years ago, when I first started drag, was a wig that looked just like this. It was gray with dark roots, so what a throwback. Thank you to Darnell and Powder D for this. I never understand how they fit this in such a small little package. Okay, so this next thing is from Vichy. Vichy Laboratories. Oh, hashtag purity is potency. We've got a mineralizing thermal water, fortifying and hydrating daily skin booster with hyaluronic acid, makeup remover micellar cleansing wipes, and a 3-in-1 solution micellar, that's French, 1-step cleansing micellar solution. All products that sound far too expensive and bougie for me. Okay, one last package in the sponsor box. And this is from Clarisonic. I have a Clarisonic myself. I bought one. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. Oh my god, they sent us a brand new Clarisonic with the foundation head because they started making it to a makeup brush too. They have congratulations on making the top 30. I just don't like how the brush always like gets dirty and like if you wear makeup and take off the makeup with the brush, it stains the brush. So I mean, I guess you're supposed to replace your brush on the Clarisonic like every couple of months or so, but I am a gross ass bitch. So it's nice to have a replacement brush. When I bought my Clarisonic 2, I got like the cheapest one possible. This is like the most like advanced one. Don't they all just vibrate? Like what is the point of having Mia 1, Mia 2? It's the vibrating brush, come on. They're like not gonna let me do this anymore. I'm like talking all this crap. I'll give it a fair shot before I trash it. So this is the big NYX box, which is probably full of makeup. Let's open it up. This first one says Specialty. This one is filled with all of their SFX cream colors, including a loose setting powder for them. If you followed the Face Awards in previous years, because I'm aware that some of you only heard about it because of me, if you watch like the first couple of years that it's gone on, because we're now in the 7th year, but in the first couple of years people were doing like a smoky eye and like a green lipstick as their look, and now people every year it like levels up and people do like special effects, prosthetics, body painting. You would think they're making like short films because of the cinematography that goes into it. The fact that NYX is now making special effects face and body paints just speaks to the direction that this competition has gone now. All right, this next box says lips. Wow. Oh my god. So this is a bunch of these soft matte lip creams. We have their liquid suede lipsticks. We have their lip lingerie. A bunch of lip pencils. These powder puff lippies. My mom is gonna love this. Oh my god, Kyne! Ang ganda naman tong kulay. Wala pa ako to. And it's like the same pink nude every single time. But you know what? I can already tell this is already all too much stuff for me to keep anyway, so I'm definitely gonna be giving quite a few of this away. This next box says tools. I'm excited about this one. If there's one thing I can't get enough of, it's brushes. So we have this brush cleaning pad, some NYX Powder Puff, On The Spot brush cleaner, 2 little like beauty blenders, eyelash curler, NYX Be Gone makeup wipes, and a bunch of brushes. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. Or should I just give them away? I have so many brushes, I really don't need more. And it's like a bitch to clean so many brushes anyway. Maybe I'll give these away. Oh, okay, this I kind of want for myself. This is a little brush holder, like a cup to carry it in. That's cute. Thank you, NYX. Anytime I have friends over, I'm always like, take however much you want. Because you can see behind me, I have like far too much makeup that I can even store in this room. I mean, I wear lots of makeup, I'll admit that, but like all of this is like too much for even me. Okay, this next huge box is entitled Eyes. Oh my god, so we have a bunch of false lashes, we have a bunch of mascaras, a bunch of single eyeshadows, the NYX Jumbo pencils, we have the I Love You So Mochi palettes, which I'm pretty sure I already have, the Avant Pop palettes. Okay, I think we have one more box to go through. And this is face. Ugh. Face, face, face. I give face beauty face. You can take, it's okay, watch my body go insane. Oh my god. So these are the Total Control Drop Foundations in every single color, which they already gave to me once, and I like pawned off to all of my friends of all different skin tones, and now I have it again. Wow. You know what though, sometimes I do makeup on other people, so it is convenient to have a bunch of different foundation shades. We have a color correcting concealer palette, a blush palette, a highlighter palette, a highlight and contour palette, and oh my god, did they make another one? They have another highlight and contour palette. This one is in cream. So these are powders, these are creams. We have these contouring pencils, powders, a bunch of these liquid highlighters, concealers. Oh, and we also have these ombre blushes, matte bronzer. I really like this. I actually use this a lot. I don't know if we're not allowed to do giveaways during the competition. I kind of suspect there might be a rule against it. I don't want anyone of you to think that I'm like buying your votes or like bribing you. I want you guys to vote for me because you really think that I have what it takes to be the artist of the year. Not even because you're just following me, not because you are my fan. If there is somebody else whose video you see that is better than mine, then by all means, vote for them. So basically the way this all works is we get to use all of that makeup to create our challenge look, and they're gonna give us what the theme is. The NYX YouTube and Instagram page will be posting all the updates of the voting rounds and when they begin and when they end and who has made it to the other rounds. So if you want to follow them, you can do that. I hope you guys are all as excited as I am. If you don't really care about the Face Awards, that's fine because I'm still planning on uploading regular online kind content during the meantime. So you still have more wig tutorials and sewing tutorials to look forward to. I'm gonna go get some sleep now and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!